Rami, the shepherd, loved his cattle. He used to take them for their daily walks up the mountain. One such clumsy morning, he thought of playing a prank on the villagers nearby. He shouted "Wolf" and cried for help. His voice echoed across the hills. Suddenly, a few locals from the village nearby turned up. Rami burst out into laughter. The villagers, angry at his prank and mischief, walked away. But danger awaited him next day. It was a sunny morning, and Rami had come up the hill as usual. After an hour, suddenly, there was a panic among the sheep. A wolf had indeed turned up that day to Rami's dismay. Rami, terrified, started shouting for help, but none responded this time. Rami ran for his life. Having learnt his lesson, lying can invite even more trouble.